why is it, though human beings are not the strongest creatures on the planet compared to other species, why is it the human beings are dominating this world? Simply because of our ability to use tools, isn't it?
And our intellect, our ability to manipulate our environment.
Yes, but even then, if we didn't have knowledge of using tools,
right.
The buffaloes would have mowed us down, all right.
Yes.
So, your intellect, they don't care. It's your ability to use tools. You made an arrow, you made a gun, you made so many things.
Made a house.
Yes.
Yes.
Everything, all instruments. Right now, microphone,
yes,
or telephone or whatever else, these are all instruments to enhance. We are this much, because of our instruments we become that much. Right now, there is one little screw here in this furniture. I will ask you, you're a strong guy, I will ask you to unscrew this with your hands.
Can't do it.
You do it, you may lose all your nails, I will allow you to use your teeth, maybe you lose some of them.
It's gonna be a problem.
But it'll be right there.
But if I
give you a screwdriver, boom,
I can do it easy.
In a minute you'll get it out. So this is the power of the tool.
Yes.
So as there are tools for doing things in the external world, there are tools to handle this. Because you don't have a toolkit, this machine, which is the most complex machine, is going crazy. Right now you're reading in engineering, it's a toolkit.
Yes.
You just use the tools, don't worry about the philosophy, don't worry about belief system, don't worry about your concept, somebody's concepts, your beliefs, somebody's beliefs. Just use the necessary tools. Being peaceful, joyful, loving is a natural outcome of that.
Okay, well, what are those tools? Like the scenario that I laid out. You have a person who's 30 years old, they have a history of trauma in their life, they're very unhappy, very depressed, maybe they're alcoholics, they're trying to get their life in order.
Today, I want you to understand this. The Isha Foundation and this inner engineering process that we are doing around the world, in 2021, I think, 2020 or 2021, I think it's 2021, our video views are 2.2 billion.
2.2 billion video views?
Yes.
That's a lot.
Yes. Why? Because it's worked. We have over 16 million volunteers working with the foundation. Why are they doing this? Because the only reason is it has worked. What is it that's worked? I did not teach them a morality, I did not teach them a philosophy, I did not promise them miracles, I did not pull gold chains out of thin air and give it to them. No, nothing. Simply tools to fix themselves.
Well, also…
Just how to sit, how to breathe, how to manage yourself, this is all.
Yes. But you're entertaining. You know, that's also one of the reasons why you have that many views.
For somebody, if his headache goes away, his life changes.
Yes.
Somebody drops his alcohol consumption, addiction, his life changes.
Yes.
Somebody, some compulsive thought that may drives him crazy, if that goes away. These are simple things. This is just a small screwdriver is all he needs, he doesn't need a total overhaul. Mysticism is a different aspect. It is like you're not just interested in living well, you want to know the very root of life.
Yes.
That's a different aspect, that's not for everybody. That is only for those who seek that. But for common people, all they want to do is they want to live peacefully, joyfully, with some sense of purpose to whatever they're doing in their lives.